there, little artist. Are you ready to draw something super fun and a little bit magical today? Because we're going to draw and color the cutest, happiest little axolotl. And guess what? Once we're done, it's going to move like it's come to life. Yes, your drawing will wiggle and smile just like a real little axolotl. So grab your crayons, pencils, or markers, and let's get started. First, let's draw a big round head. It's just like drawing a big circle or an oval that's a little wide. Take your time, and don't worry if it's not perfect. Round shapes are super fun to practice. If your circle looks a little wiggly, that's okay. Wiggly lines can give your drawing personality. Next, let's add the face. 2 little dot eyes, and a smile in the middle. You can add a tiny blush on each cheek later with some color. Keep the eyes spaced evenly, like they're looking straight at you. You can even use your fingers to measure. Now let's draw the body. It's like a tall U shape under the head. Then let's draw a smaller U shape inside the belly and add 4 curved lines across it. These look like soft little armor plates. Try to keep the body in the center so there's room for the arms and legs on both sides. Let's add the arms next. 1 on each side, curving down like they're waving hello. The hands have 3 little fingers, like tiny mittens. Try making the arms curved like a banana. That helps them look soft and bendy. Now time for the legs. Draw 2 curvy legs at the bottom with 3 toes each, just like the hands. They should look like they're helping the axolotl sit or get ready to swim. Don't worry if your legs look different from each other. Every axolotl is unique. Next comes the tail. Start from the side of the body and draw a long curve going up and around. Make sure it ends in a gentle point at the top. It's like a swoosh. Make the tail wide near the body and then thinner at the tip, like a ribbon or a leaf. Now the most fun part. Those cool frilly gills sticking out from the head. Draw 3 bumpy lines on each side, like soft branches with tiny fingers sticking out. They look like leafy feathers. Start short near the top, then go a little longer in the middle, then short again at the bottom. That makes it look balanced. done with the drawing. Now let's bring it to life with color. Let's color the whole axolotl a soft, friendly pink. Fill in the head, body, arms, legs, and tail. Gently. Try coloring in circles to make it smooth. Don't press too hard. Light layers look soft and neat. Now color the frilly gills with a little bit of a darker pink or reddish pink. Make sure to get each tiny bump. Use the tip of your crayon or pencil to reach the small spaces. Take your time, it's not a race. Let's give the cheeks a sweet blush using a soft red or pink. Just 2 little round spots under the eyes. You can lightly tap your crayon in small circles to make it look like soft, rosy cheeks. Now say, Axolotl. So cool. It's now moving. You did it! You drew, colored, and brought your axolotl to life. Be proud of your amazing art. It's not just cute, it's magical. Want to draw more fun characters and see them move too? Hit that subscribe button and come back for more magical art adventures.